Well, that's that.
Well, what happened?
Well, what do you think happened? 009 did it, his muscle killed him, end of story.
You can't be serious after what we found.
We have no evidence, Bond. M needs an open and shut case.
So what's our next move?
Our next move is to go home, Bond.
Go home. How are you okay with this?
That's the beauty of orders. You don't have to like them. You can drop me off at my local, the Crosshairs. It's...
Yeah, I know where it is.
C'est pas le but du jeu de pas avoir peur. Bah oui. Bah oui, bah oui. Ah oui, désolé, je crois que le mot avenir était écrit, mais pas du tout.
Take a breath, Bond. This is a job. You let it get inside, it will eat you alive.
It's unbelievable.
I'm serious. Get out of town for a few days. Blow off some steam.
In other words, just do nothing.
More has been asked of lesser men.
Oh, il y a l'aide à la conduite. Moi, je fais que accélérer, c'est la voiture qui tourne toute seule.
Try to get some sleep. Things will look better in the morning.
I figured you'd be drowning your sorrows right about now.
Who says I'm not?
I know what a pub sounds like, James. In fact, I'm on my way to one right now. Got a date?
Going out. We just put 3 agents in the ground.
That doesn't give you permission to stop living.
M's making a mistake. She needs to issue a full-scale mole hunt, top to bottom. If there's a breach...
We'll find it. Why do you think she sent everyone home? MI6 aren't idiots, James. We managed just fine before you came along.
You sound like Greenway.
Just go home. Go for a run. Shake it off. Tomorrow's a new day.
Well, good luck on your... date.
Oh, la violence des propos, Thor. T'es irrité par les klaxons?
Shoes, man.
T'es en France ou bien? Bah non, on est à Londres, là. Du coup, elle est là Pourquoi elle a mis une cravate à sa porte? Ah, c'était le jeu, je croyais que c'était dans le bus dans lequel je suis, vu que ça bouchonne. Non, non, c'était... On avait les bouchons aussi, mais c'était dans le jeu. Un livre sur l'ornithologie et autres curiosités. C'est pour dire que c'est occupé plus. Si jamais vous aviez pas compris que vous étiez dans les bouchons, venez, on klaxonne. Je veux que vous le sachiez, ils sont morts à cause de moi. J'aurais pu l'éviter, mais j'ai échoué, ça aurait dû être moi. James Bond.
James Bond. Well, this can't be good.
Attends, c'est quelqu'un qui a écrit ça pour nous? Ah oui. Vas-y. La bagarre. La bagarre. La bagarre. La bagarre. Bon, ça suffit. Hein. Ah. Bon, ça suffit pour moi, du coup. On recommence. Mince. Permis de tuer, bah oui, mais j'ai pas... J'ai pas mon arme. Esquive, le rat, esquive. Il m'agace, lui. Paf. Esquive, esquive, esquive. Pareil, du coup, je peux pas utiliser ma montre. Ah. Ok.
James Bond, I presume.
La cible est entrée dans le bâtiment.
You brought a friend.
Ah, j'ai cru qu'elle avait disparu. Photo de famille de Bond. Une photo du jeune James Bond jouant aux cartes avec ses parents, Andrew et Monique, la veille de leur décès. Ah, j'ai pas... Hop, retourner. Il n'y avait rien. So, j'imagine que je sors de l'appart. Oh, c'est le bordel dans cet appart.
Took you long enough. Did the little runt give you a run for your money?
Best go meet the friend.
Who do you work for? How do you know about Mauritania?
Viens dans la cuisine, il y a plein de trucs à lancer.
Remote at MI6.
Hey, coucou Exige, comment tu vas?
I'll ask again. Who do you work for? Take the shot.
Need to get onto the balcony.
Ça va super et vous tous? Bah écoute, ça va. Ça va super.
Let's go and have a word.
Need to get to the shooter. Just go home.
Ça va, on verra de se faire poutrer.
Shake it off, she said.
Ouais, super. Quel soutien, dites donc. Bon, c'est un peu vrai, mais je me suis d'un peu trop près quand même. Oh. À ce point-là, cette session, non, ça dépend des moments en vrai. Moi je crois en toi, Elra. Merci, Cass. Les enchaînes, dit-on, les lunettes, maintenant le dos. Non, ça va. C'est pas ma période, allez, on va t'aider. Apparaître rampant. Non, c'est fini ça. C'est pas vraiment de l'aide ça.
Can't stay here all night. I'm gonna be climbing that thing, aren't I?
Enfin, après, c'en est un petit peu de l'aide. Parce que... Parce que du coup, ils peuvent drop des trucs, mais quand même.
Faster, James. Faster.
Ah, faster, faster, faster.
Try and hit me now.
Come on. Bloody thing.
Don't go anywhere.
This qualifies as an emergency.
Oh là là! Oh, c'est le blond! Enfin, un effort, cours droit. Poursuite course. Oui, courir moi. Mort, pas être. Toi, GG, merci.
James, this had better be.
It is. Someone just tried to kill me.
Say again?
At the apartment, I took his phone. I need you to trace a text.
What? I can't. Well, I'm on a date. And you're suspended. You'll need to report this to HQ. Go through the proper channels.
It's the twins. We don't have time for protocol.
The Murtos. Operating in central London.
Contretemps, juste être.
If I lose the trail, we'll never know who they're working for. Please, Moneypenny.
What kind of phone?
Are you sure this is the place?
Positive. The signal's coming from inside the Works and Arts Museum.
There's an event. The Web Industries Anniversary Gala.
Web Gala's tonight. Shit. How did I miss that? James, if Webb is a target, we can't sit on this. I need to issue an alert.
Don't. He'll only slip away again. I need time.
Be quick about it. I've updated your watch tracker. See if you can't get a closer fix on the signal. And James...
I'll be careful.
No, you won't. Just don't screw up.
An hour in bloody traffic, a room full of half-drunk bores.
Rather a lot of security for an office party, isn't
Sir,
it?
well, this is strictly an invitation-only event.
Évidemment. Je trouve une distraction.
Oh, that went right in my eye.
Hop là.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Le mec a failli canner, mais il veut une cérémonie. Bah ouais. Tu fais pas ça dans la vraie vie?
In the main hall directly behind me. Just have your invitation ready for my colleague
Please
at the
tell me you
entrance.
remember to bring the invite. Is there somewhere I can leave
Of
my
course
jacket
I
for the night?
brought it.
Quick room
You
to the left
reminded
of
me
the
3
entrance.
times at the house and twice on the way. How could I not remember?
On va retrouver notre assassin. Enfin, un des deux. Tous mes samedis soirs, bien sûr. Bah voilà. Moi, je serais rentrée chez moi. Bah non, parce que du coup, ils ont essayé de nous tuer là-bas, alors... il aurait fallu aller ailleurs, tu vois.
Get you something, sir? Champagne.
Notre appartement est plus
Something a
trop
little
sûr.
stronger.
I'm looking for my friend. Tall, blonde, dead-eyed,
Would he be the one who gave you that makeover?
something like that.
On l'a vu, il est là-bas.
People say Webb's planning some big tech
Ah non,
demonstration
le signal il est
tonight. I
là-bas.
hear half the cabinet here.
David, there are free drinks. I'm surprised the entire cabinet.
I'm just trying to get through.
Watch it.
Got you.
Un blond platine parmi les châtains, comment ne pas le voir? Tu m'étonnes.
I am
J'avoue.
incredibly sorry, sir.
Do you know how much this costs?
Un truc dans les Resident Evil et surtout ceux avec un perso en particulier, le perso veut sauver tout le monde, alors qu'en vrai, casse-toi de cet endroit de dingue. Ah, mais ça, c'est dans tous les jeux un peu d'aventure, action-aventure. Ah, c'est à côté de l'évier.
He binned the phone. Of course he did.
tell me you caught him?
No, but it looks like CCTV did. If I access the camera feed, can you locate him?
You'd have to patch me directly into the CCTV network terminal. Go to the security room. It's first floor, east wing. Staff offices.
Got it.
Au premier, comment on monte les escaliers là, j'ai vu.
Eish, man, watch it, bro.
Monte dans la cuvette et tire la chasse, il y a un passage secret. Ah, le passage secret, il marche avec la cuvette ouverte ou fermée? Parce que c'est pas pareil. Hein.
Take a look at this guy.
On peut parler à la dame.
When I was 15 and in a punk band.
Il nous faut évidemment une carte d'accès.
You're terrible.
Carte d'accès
I'm thinking Sardinia for June.
qu'ils n'ont pas.
The sea's like glass. And nobody goes there
Evening.
because they're all too busy pretending.
Didn't feel like dressing for the big soiree.
Laundry day.
Sounds like thirsty work. How about a drink?
Another time, perhaps.
Anytime.
Sinon, on va dans une cheminée et prendre la poudre et dit discrètement chemin de travers. On va essayer de faire la voie de la cheminée alors. Hein.
You and I are destined to be surrounded by the middle class and their main plan.
Une conversation là-bas.
Careful.
That woman you talked to at the bar. She's that new senior crisis.
Hey, you're back.
Quite all right.
home. Just waiting on a journalist who's running late and holding me up.
Rob Minkley, Crux Magazine. No, he's not here. That's why I'm calling you. Actually, Mike Chaxfield from the Bulletin is here, I'm told. If Minkley doesn't appear in the next 10, let's find him, give him the exclusive. Yes, that Rob Minkley. I'd really rather the exclusive went to Crux, but if he can't be asked turning up, we have no choice but to offer it to Mike and the Bulletin.
She might be able to help me here.
And you are?
Je crois
Mike
que c'est lui.
Chaxfield.
Oh. I thought you'd be older.
Sorry to disappoint.
No, you haven't. Anyway, good timing. I'm giving the Bulletin the best seat in the house for the show and an exclusive interview with Sir Nicholas right after.
Sounds great.
Go see Linda in the press room for your pass, then take yourself and your camera upstairs to the balcony. Security will let you through once you flash your pass.
Will do.
Alors, carte de presse et appareil photo.
That's the second time this week he's done this to me. I'm supposed to be at the entrance covering my own post.
Have you tried giving him a bell?
Yeah,
If you can
multiple
find a table
times.
for me tonight,
He's
I'll
not
be
picking
able
up
to get
for
a
me.
review into the new issue.
If he's gone on
But
the
it
lash
has to be
again and
tonight,
left me
you
in the lurch,
understand?
I'm gonna bloody kill him. He's a right pain in the arse.
You need to stop covering
Can you
for
hear
him.
me?
I know.
Jean-Pierre
He's my mate,
invited me
but he's really
himself.
testing me right now.
Oh,
He
this
knows the
tardy
kind
lad
of
could come in
positive
useful.
critique in the London Review, even if you don't. Huh? What are you talking about?
Ah, c'est là-bas.
Some critic of the
Excuse
London
me.
Review was in last Thursday.
Any idea why we're here tonight?
That's just not
Not a
possible.
clue.
Linda?
Yes, and the wording of the invite.
Can I help you?
Certainly can.
Big plan.
I'm here to pick up my press pass.
Or something.
Well, I have it on good faith.
Petit Candy Crush au calme. Bah
Mike
ouais.
Chaxfield with the Bulletin.
I think there must be a mistake. Mike's already checked in.
Ah.
Is here, it must
Not worth a shot just to talk to you.
I'm very flattered and very engaged.
I suspect whatever
Now,
is
if you'll
Attends, je me suis
excuse me,
plantée.
I need to get back to
serves
work.
as a two-figure salute to that insufferable excuse for a journalist.
Is that a hint of jealousy I detect?
We worked together once when he was just starting out.
Huh.
That man would step over his own mother if he knew there was a byline.
I wonder what it was.
Hop.
In fact, I suspect he already has.
On a eu la carte de presse.
What is...
The chubby dad, that's right. You've been looking forward to it
That's it.
because it's our anniversary. and
Quand on n'a
There's
pas
no
la
denying
carte
that the
d'accès
impact is
encore.
already profound. Just look at the business
Quoi?
sectors like
On fait de la carte
healthcare,
d'accès?
customer service, and the automobile industry. And let's not forget what it's done for medical research breakthroughs and climate research.
j'ai pas le droit d'être là. Hop.
I fear our eventual over-reliance
Very
will result in the end of blue and white collar jobs.
Try telling that to him.
Wouldn't waste my time. The man is an idealist and has somehow become a self-appointed tech user.
Ah! I can't see!
The idea of removing human error through machines.
He overheard you saying you may well find
Can't be back here.
Ah oui, oui, on s'en va.
Oh, sorry about that.
Things to worry about.
So it tracks
everything.
Got another call coming
Every
through.
single thing.
It continuously scans vital. Yeah, I'm here. In a bar.
C'est quoi l'autre? Ah, ça doit être le truc de l'agent de sécu.
Can I help you? I'm with the press. Need to get upstairs for the main event. Snap some pics.
Head on up. Pretty quiet up there now, save for a few of Webb's folk.
Thanks, gents.
Pousse-toi. Laisse-nous monter. Security.
Any pushback from museum security?
Nothing we can't handle. They know their place.
Good. Tonight needs to go off without a hitch.
It will.
Sir,
This area's off limits.
MI6. We have a potential security threat. I need access to the CCTV feed, and I need it now.
Right. Sure you are. Listen, son. My name is Simon, and Simon says, go back to the gala, have yourself a glass of bubbles, and try not to worry that pretty little head of yours. We've got everything under control here tonight.
You need to listen to me.
Feet or head first. You choose.
Do a good bedtime for Sarah, and I'll check on you as soon as I'm home. Promise. Okay, I need to go. Night. How's it look down there?
CCTV room is through here.
The party looks like it's in full swing. You?
Is that?
Just got word on Kensington. Place
Hey,
has been locked down.
where do you think you're going, pal?
Came down on one of the rooftops.
All right there.
No casualties, but I'm hearing the whole place is shut down and will be for a few days.
Come on.
IT. Director Hamilton called. Seems one of the security key cards you guys have stopped working. Need to jump on my machine, see if I can reactivate it.
All right. Yeah, better get on that, mate.
Will do.
Stragglers hanging around reception and the cloakroom, but overall everything looks good from where I'm standing.
Reckon we could slip
peut
down
pas
there,
rentrer
grab
discrètement
ourselves
dans
a few
cette
of those
pièce?
canapes before anyone notices that we're gone.
Yeah, I say when the big man's speech kicks off, why the hell not?
Copy that.
Faut une carte d'accès de la...
What? I'll have a quick look. Who are you?
What?
Ce talent qu'il a pour inventer des histoires et mentir comme ça, t'as vu?
Huh? Do you have permission to be here? Where are you heading?
All right, take it easy.
Just stay put. No funny business. Keep your eyes peeled. Someone suspicious, so be careful.
Faut vite que je me casse de là.
Engaging! Regroup and hit hard!
Yes, sir. Understood. Come on, we need to go.
C'est quoi ceux-là? C'est qui ceux-là? On sait pas.
Right, time to leave. Let's move.
Hop là.
Should we worry about what that lad from MI6 told us?
If he was from MI6, I'm from the North Pole.
If something goes down here tonight, and you and I knew about it, They'll have our heads, you do know that.
Nothing ever happens at these things besides someone spilling a drink or falling on their arm.
Huh? What was that?
What the hell's up with you?
What the? What's going on?
Oula, ça sent pas bon là. Si.
Over here.
Wonder what it is.
Come here. You daft little muppet. I'll break it.
Simon says don't get up. If I want to
Personne
find
veut me
Miles, I'll
donner une
just
clé
sit
de...
and wait.
What's that?
Hop là. On a un peu pété le truc.
Excuse me, I need you to come check
Easy
in.
now. IT. Director Hamilton called. Seems one of the security keycards you guys have stopped working. Need to jump on my machine, see if I can reactivate it.
Oh, right, yeah. Better get on that, mate.
Will
On vient juste de dégommer la porte, mais ouais, passe.
Get ready for a beating.
We need support. Get on the radio.
Oh, hello? Yes, there's a madman down here. Send people.
Ah, on a ouvert la porte.
Come on. This is getting boring, mate. Finish it.
Thanks for the practice.
Ah, quand même, une porte, oui, deux, non. Ah bah en même temps, j'ai un peu dégommé la porte devant eux, donc bon.
2 guards, 2 keys.
2 gardes, 2 clés.
Director Hamilton.
C'est pas possible, faut que j'aille là-bas. Je veux juste une clé, moi.
Oh, come on.
What's wrong?
Shit, I left the card back in the office.
I grabbed it.
Oh, thanks. God, I hope this thing wraps up soon. Gasping for a pint.
Get in line, son.
Cut the chit chat and get your heads in the game. We're here to do a job. I'm taking a look round the place. Make sure everything's kosher. You two, eyes on the ball. What's his bloody problem?
Pay no attention, he's always like that.
Huh?
Give me your best shot. This is too easy.
Paf. Ah, lui, il a une carte, non?
If I want to find Murto, CCTV will point the way.
6 months is a long time to... Sir, may I ask what you're doing?
What's that, pretty kid? Land a good one. Come on. I can taste your fear.
Ah, zut.
Simon says don't get up.
Ah, mais il y a un truc là. C'est quoi?
Could come in handy.
Ok.
Six months is a long time to be away from family.
Bunny's too good to pass out.
Heads up.
Huh?
Best have a look. Oh, what could...
Got you.
What kind of mess is this?
Are you lost?
Ah, je me trompe à chaque fois. J'esquive pas correctement et du coup... Du coup, il me dégomme.
Simon says don't get up.
Ou alors...
Huh?
Tac.
Ought to have a look. What is...
Oi. Huh?
Paf. Ok.
Right here.
Not this
Ah,
again.
tout à l'heure, je pouvais pas la tirer. Alors que là...
What could... Looks... How's peculiar?
Il vient pas jusque là. Bah voilà, hein.
Bingo. Much appreciated.
Désolée, je vous ai abandonné, mais je me suis pris une douche chaude pour mon dos. J'ai raté quoi? Bah pas grand chose. Je suis toujours en mode infiltration dans le truc. Et jusque-là, j'ai recommencé je sais pas combien de fois la mission.
No such thing, mate. No such thing.
Je suis sûre que t'as tout cartonné, ah non, apparemment. Bah, je suis pas trop allé en mode douceur, quoi. J'ai un peu oublié qu'on était dans un jeu d'infiltration et du coup j'étais un peu parti en mode barbare. Mais ça va. On est reparti en mode délicatesse. Moi je dis, il y a beaucoup de fusils à pompe. Voilà, on n'était pas bien loin. Faut que je passe où? Là-haut? On grimpe pas juste pour 2 piles quand même. Ah, je passe là. Vu. Bah ouais. Bah moi aussi j'ai vu. Le Velux de la salle de vidéosurveillance a été connecté au réseau, ce qui permet désormais de l'ouvrir et de le fermer à distance. Incroyable ça. Le cadenas est bloqué. C'est vrai qu'on a un agent spécial. On a une montre qui fait tout. Faut que j'aille là. Il est où le Velux? Ah, le voilà.
Moneypenny, I'm at the terminal.
Hang on, just need someplace quiet.
Sauf donner l'heure, ouais, c'est ça.
Bollocks, I don't have the password.
People are lazy. They probably put it on a post-it note. Have a look around.
All right, sit tight. Not it.
Lettre d'avertissement.
So how's your boy?
On his third pint. Wondering why my aunt keeps calling.
A drunk and a fool. He sounds like a keeper.
Oh, shut it.
Oh, no password
Galloway.
here.
Les chats ont dû sentir que je me sentais mal et ils m'ont fait plein de câlins. Oui, je suis dans le déni. Ils veulent de la bouffe, je le sais bien. Ouais, non. Des fois, ils sentent. Hein. Enfin, ça dépend de tes chats aussi, mais... Carte postale de Kensington.
Any luck? I've got a line for me.
On a piqué la carte postale quand même, on l'a pas reposée. Hein. Oui, où ce post-it là?
Nothing.
Projet Night. Plume me fait tout le temps des câlins quand je rentre du boulot.
Not it.
Employé de l'année.
People really should be more careful.
Ah, password 12.
Damn it.
What did I tell you? Now, patch me in.
Logging in now. There. I'm in.
Okay, pulling the footage. Here's your man.
So much for 2 birds, 1 stone. You have a location?
Basement archives. Not the worst place to lay low. Or plan an ambush.
Not tonight. I'm headed there now.
Par où je ressors, moi? Par la grande porte, bah oui. À quel moment tu mets juste 12 comme, comme mot de passe? Bah écoute... Apparemment, c'est le meilleur mot de passe de sécurité. Tu sauras. On va tous mettre 12 en mot de passe de sécurité maintenant. Ou alors mot de passe 1, mot de passe 2, mot de passe 3. N'empêche, c'est tellement absurde que personne ne prendra la peine d'essayer. Ah, y a moyen. Hein. Mais du coup, ce serait très facile à craquer. Quoi. On dirait un truc de labo. Panneau d'encadrement.
Looks like it unlocks remotely.
Note du personnel. La serrure de la salle de restauration est toujours cassée. Il faut la réparer pour pouvoir verrouiller les lieux après les heures d'ouverture. Surtout pour toi et ta formation de hackeuse professionnelle. Mais oui. Mais oui. C'est nous faciliter le travail, ça. Est-ce que si je m'accroupis ou alors... Ah, je désingue le...
Well, this all looks very expensive. Let's not touch anything. Basil from accounting will have my head. Sorry, Baz. If only it was this easy all the time. Well, this all looks rather ominous.
Il sait qu'on est là. Après, il nous croit peut-être morts. Non, il sait qu'on est là.
Has to be something I can use to get to it. Can't rush him head on. He's armed.
Aïe. Putain. Il est trop chiant.
No. Need to find a way to put him down. Must be something I can use here. Need to find a way to hurt him. Let him get me in his sights.
Entre les portes défoncées, les cadavres à tous les étages et les cadenas détruits un peu partout, oui, t'es là. Ah, lui aussi, il est là. Après, j'ai pas réussi à lire tout ce qu'il a dit.
Must be something I can use to get to him.
Je vais pouvoir utiliser quelque chose pour l'atteindre. Ah. Vas-y, passe.
This way, over here.
Soon, Mr. Bond. Coming for you.
That worked. Come on, think, James, think. Has to be something I can use.
Ça? Extracteur de fumée? Ouais, ça peut couvrir ma sortie, mais...
I tire of this.
Non?
Has to be something I can use to get to him. Must be something I can use to get to him.
Oh, c'est pas facile, hein.
Must be something I can use here.
Attends, mais c'est lui qui m'a balancé le truc, là. Je me suis fait un thé bien chaud. Ah, j'avais pas vu que t'avais écrit ça, pardon. Il fait trop chaud pour un thé. Pour un thé chaud. Oh, arbitre, là. Ça lui a pas fait de dégâts, j'ai l'impression, ouais. Ouais, on est d'accord, hein. La première fois, quand je l'ai pris à revers, j'ai pu le frapper une fois. Ou alors, faut que je le fasse la première fois. Ou alors, faut vraiment pas faire du corps à corps et c'était un coup de bol. Bah, je fais tout pour avoir bien chaud pour mon dos. Ah.
coward.
That knocked the wind out of his sails. Must be something I can use to get to him.
Alors, qu'est-ce qu'on a? Ah, mais il y a un autre lustre là.
I'm here.
I tire of this.
Not that clever.
Alors là, ça marchera pas parce que du coup, il se défend. Hop, 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 hop. Il est où? Là-bas. Si je pirate ça...
Even his brother felt that one.
No.
Comment ça? Non.
Has to be something I can use to get to it.
Coming for you.
De...
Think. Has to be something I can use.
Ah, par contre, on l'a eu une deuxième fois là. Je sais pas comment on a fait, mais on l'a eu une deuxième fois. J'avais envie d'un thé. Et bah, tu as bien fait de te faire un thé si tu avais envie d'un thé. Putain, mais je vais encore mourir.
Let's finish it.
Là. Oh, t'es pas muerto là?
Must be something I can use to get to it.
Il est où?
Not this time.
Has to be something I can use to get to it.
Let's finish it.
Must be something I can use here.
Purée, il a pris le truc avant moi. Qu'est-ce qu'on a dans le coin? On a ça?
Face me. Ow.
Kaboom, non?
Let's finish it. Coming for you.
Come on, think, James, think. Has to be something I can use.
Ah ok, ces trucs-là, ça lui dit où je suis. Et là où il est, on a quoi?
Has to be something I can use to get to him.
Let's finish it.
Il y a un truc là.
There must be something I can use to get to him.
Que je peux la tirer là-bas.
His brother felt that one too.
Ok.